This is an overview of the professional interview final project for this course. It is due by noon on October the 14th. That is the last day of class. So I'm having it due a little bit early so that we can get a jump start on getting your final grades in. So the purpose of this is for you to go through the entire process of preparing documentation for a professional interview and then actually conducting the interview. Now, in this example, you're only going to be the interviewee, but you will go through all of the steps to create the documents, the interview agenda, all of those things as if you were the interviewer as well. So you will be able to choose a partner, the partner of your choice, as long as they're an adult. It can be a family member, a friend, a coworker, someone in the class if you'd like to go that route. And they will actually interview you for the position that you're applying for. Now, you'll be able to create the interview questions, so you'll know the questions. You can also practice your responses, but the point of this is for you to be able to demonstrate that you can do all of these things that are related to a professional interview. So the required documentation for this is the position you're applying for, and this is actually due this week. It's due the week of September 24th. Next week, we're going to work on research for the position, so you'll have to have some research. You'll also have to do an interview agenda for the questions that you want your partner to ask of you. This needs to be a complete agenda with detailed opening questions and a detailed closing. And all of that will be due in the coming weeks. Then you will video the mock interview and post it along with your reflection of the interview experience. The interview requirements: you need to have a clear opening that builds rapport, at least 2 traditional interview questions, and 3 behavioral interview questions. And we're going to talk about these over the next couple of weeks. You'll also need to have responses, just as you were in an interview, that reflect the questions being asked using the STAR method. And we'll spend some time going over what that method looks like. It's a way that you can concisely but thoroughly answer interview questions. And then also you'll need to have a closing that defines the next steps, appropriate nonverbal behavior, appropriate dress, and also follow the EEOC guidelines, so no illegal questions. So this gives you an overview of the assignment. Next week I'll be asking you who your partner will be, so you need to be giving that some thought, and then we'll start working on the interview agenda. And then in the next week or so I'll post the reflection questions. But right now we just need to be preparing for the mock interview. The mock interview usually lasts anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. You can record it, upload it using any means that you would like, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, we'll be working on all of these assignments related to this over the next couple of weeks. So by the time that the interview week gets here, you'll be fully prepared. And you do need to be prepared to conduct your interviews. Let me pull up a calendar here. Between October 9th and October 13th. You'll be turning it in on the 14th. So the interviews will need to be conducted sometime between the October 9th and October 13th. So you need to be thinking about that when you're considering who your partner might be, checking with them to make sure they're available during that time. So thanks so much. Have a good rest of your day, and let me know if you have any questions.